In today's video, I'll show you how to edit an invoice in Zoho Invoice quickly and efficiently. First, keep in mind that only draft invoices can be edited. If an invoice has already been sent, you won't be able to make direct changes. So double check your invoices while they're still in draft. Start by going to the Invoices module on the left sidebar. Find the invoice you want to edit and open it. At the top, click the edit icon, usually a pencil symbol. Once editing is enabled, you can update descriptions, add or remove items, adjust quantities or prices, and ensure totals and taxes are correct. After making changes, click Save to update the draft, or choose Save and Send if you want to resend the updated invoice to your customer. And that's it. Editing invoices in Zoho Invoice is simple, keeping your billing accurate and professional. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.